Understanding Email Signatures, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an essential aspect of digital communication, the email signature. This feature, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in professional and formal emails. Let's dive into understanding what an email signature is and how to effectively create one. An email signature is a block of text automatically appended at the end of an email message. It typically contains important information about the sender, such as their name, job title, company, contact information, and sometimes a professional image or company logo. Think of it as a digital business card that conveys professionalism and provides essential contact details. Why are email signatures important? They serve several purposes. Professionalism. A well-crafted signature gives a professional appearance to your emails. Brand identity. For businesses, it's a way to reinforce brand recognition with a logo or company colors. Convenience. It provides recipients with easy access to your contact information. What should you include in an email signature? Here are the key elements. 1. Full name. Always start with your name. 2. Position and company. Include your job title and the name of your organization. 3. Contact information. Provide your phone number and professional email address. 4. Website or social media links. Optionally, include links to your professional website or LinkedIn profile. 5. Company logo. If applicable, add a small, professional image or company logo. When designing your signature, keep these tips in mind. Simplicity is key. Don't overcrowd your signature. Consistency. Use the same font and color scheme as your company's branding. Mobile-friendly. Ensure it looks good on mobile devices. Legal requirements. Some regions require including specific information in business email signatures, like company registration numbers. I hope this video helps you understand and create effective email signatures. Remember, a good signature not only conveys professionalism but also ensures your contact information is readily available to your recipients. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!